Life isn't a popularity contest. It's not an act, and it's certainly not fair. It's not a fad, it's not a fashion statement, and it's not about pretending to have all the answers or claiming to be real. Life is blood and guts and sweat. It's hard work, true heart, pure grit. And it's time someone set the record straight. Introducing Center Drive from Gerber. With a first-of-its-kind full-size driver on the center axis that uses standard bits. A full-size outboard knife that's 30% longer than the competition with reverse thumb support. Plus, spring-loaded pliers. And they're all accessible with a flick of your thumb. The multi-tool just got a reality check.
Whatever life throws at you, tackle it head-on with the new Tactica M250. We all live full lives, from work, sports, hobbies, and home improvement to adventures far and wide. Now you can get the job done and get back to what you love. Tactica brings you the M250, an ultra-lightweight compact hex drive toolkit that's perfect for your everyday carry. The M250 features a 14-slot hex drive magazine and integrated holster, ideal for those on the go. Whether on your belt or on the fridge, the M250 will be right there when you need it. Versatility comes standard, with 12 of the most common hex bits you might need, and 2 spare slots to load your own and customize your carry. From DIY to cameras, bikes to snowboards, it's got you covered. To make life easier, we've also added magnetic retention to make sure those hex bits stay in place when in use. Combined with our high-torque drive, those stubborn screws won't stand a chance. Can't quite reach? Then our integrated 2-inch extender will help you get into those tight places. The M250 is made from an advanced engineering-grade composite, making it ultra-lightweight and tech-friendly, meaning it won't scratch your valuable phones, iPads, or latest gadgets. And it complies with TSA requirements for air travel, making it the perfect travel companion. The M250, designed and engineered in Australia. Compact enough to carry every day, lightweight enough to not weigh you down, and heavy-duty enough to get things done. The Tactica M250, a complete toolkit in your hand.
also one of the most compact tools on the market. You got all your metric hex bit sizes, torques, and of course slotted in Phillips. There's spoke wrenches, you got a tire lever, a couple box wrenches. There's also a 15mm open-ended wrench, which is great for most BMX axles. Mike Hucker is a top pro BMX rider. He's pretty tough on his bike and he's back in the wheelie wrench. Hucker totally sends it. Look at how nice the wheelie wrench fits in his 5-pocket pants, and notice that all the tools fit in the all-time belt. Oh, and check out what else the belt does. I really hope you enjoyed the tools, and thanks for checking me out. Rolling. 18. Popeye the Sailor Man.